So this is 100 lb force is there. So F equal to 100 lb, okay, at D point. Okay, D point is given, and from D to E it is there. So from D to E, so arrowhead is on the E side, okay, and it is on the wall at A point. This is A point, okay. So from A to B this is given 10 feet, B to C this is given 8 feet, and C to D that is given 4 feet. Similarly, you can say that this is D to this one, this is 8 feet, here it is given 8 feet, and this to this is 4, and height is 4. So the box on the D point, the box length, width and height, that is 8, 4 and 4, okay, clear. So it is said that you have to find out, determine the moment of 100 lb force, okay, shown in 3.11 diagram about point A and B. So 2 points are there about which you have to find out the moment, okay. So as you know that this is a force vector, that is 100 lb, okay. So you have to first represent this force vector into a vector form, okay. So for vector form you take this D point and E point, okay. So D point is here and E point is here, okay. So your box is like this. This is 8, this is 4 and this is 4, and this point and this point you are going to join, okay, this one. So this is the force vector F, okay. This is 100 lb, clear. This is the 100 lb, okay, 100 lb, clear. Now 8 in which direction? For example, this one is x direction, coordinates are like this. This is positive x, positive z and positive y, okay. This side minus, this side minus, and this side minus, okay. So 8 in the positive side, okay, 4 in the positive side, in the upward side, and this 4 in the negative side. This is positive, and this is negative, okay. So you are getting your D, rho D, you have to find out, that is a direction vector, okay, direction vector. So this one is what? 8I is positive, 4J is positive, and minus 4K, okay. So this one is rho D is this one, okay, clear. This is rho D, not cap. This is not cap, okay. For cap, this is not cap actually. यहाँ पे गलत लग गया. अगर इसी में कैप बनाना है तो इसको आप ऐसे कर दो, मैग्नीट्यूड लिख दीजिए, ठीक है ना. दैट इज 8 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर. दिस विल बी व्हाट? रो डी ई cap. That is a direction vector. And this direction vector is this one. Okay, this is the direction vector. Now if you are going to multiply this with the, what is the value is given, 100 lb, so that will give you the force vector, okay. This is the force vector, clear. This is the force vector, clear.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
2 points are there about which you want to get the moment. First one is the A point, second one is the B point, okay. First one is the A point and second one is the B point, okay, clear. So for from A, if you are going to consider A, so you have to take any point on this box where this DE vector is there. Okay, so you have to take this or this position vector. Either you can take AD, A to D, or A to E. Okay, so you can choose any point. Either you can take A point, D point, or E point. So you can take the vector R AD or R A E. Okay, so you have to write this position vector from with respect to A point. Okay, so here they have taken AD. You can also take R A E. Okay, this one is also okay. Okay, so if you know the value of RAE, that is what? A to E, how much? This is 10, 8 and 4. 10, 8 and 4. 10 is in the x direction, 8 in the z direction and 4 in the y direction. Okay, 10 I, 4j and minus of 8k. Okay, that is the RAD. Similarly, RAE will be what? RAE will be what? बताइए. 10 plus 8. Okay, 8 is the length of the box. 18I plus j, how much? 4 plus 4, 8j and minus 8 plus 4, 12k. Okay, clear? This is RAE. Okay, now moment about A will be either RAD cross F or RAE cross F. Okay, clear? ठीक है? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So you, as they have solved for you, that is this one, MA is coming like this. Either you can select this one, either you can you can select this one. From both, you will get the same result. That is this one. Okay. Similarly, if you are taking the point B, if you are considering the point B, okay. So from B, you have to draw. You have to draw a displacement vector like this or like this. Okay, so we have to use the vector R BD or R BE. Okay, RBD they have taken this one, and RBE you have to calculate. So similarly, you can get this moment about B will be RBD cross F, or you can say that RBE cross F. Okay, so this will give you the result, and this will give you the result, that is coming this one. Is it okay? So this is the solution from your textbook. Okay, when word solution, that is a moment about a line. Okay, that is this one, example number 3.3. Here this one is this one is x-axis, this one is x, this one is y, and this one is z. Okay, this one is say x, y and z. Okay, clear? Now it is said that the force vector is this one, that is force vector is this one, F equal to 10I plus 6j Newton. Okay, clear? And this one is this. Okay, and RA is given from the origin. RA that is given, that is 2I plus 6j. Okay, clear? it is also given. Clear? In meter. Clear? Now it is said that there are 2 points, 1 and 2. This is 1 and this is 2. So R1 is there and R2 is there. 2 position vectors. For first point, the position vector is R1. Second point, the position vector R2. And it is said that you have to find out the moment about this line which is passing through this 1 and 2. Okay, it is said that about a line going through points 1 and 2 having a respective position vector. So this is the direction vector rho, okay, which is going through like this. Okay, clear? So R1 is given, R2 is also given. Okay, clear? So it is said that you have to find out the moment about a point which is passing through this 2 to 1 in this direction. Okay, so R1 minus R2 you have to taking that, then you will get that. Okay, so basically what is going on? A force is given, say F vector, okay, and a line is given, 2, and this is 1. So this is a direction vector, and you have to find out the moment about this line. Okay, about this line. Okay, about this line which is passing through 1 and 2. Okay, so anywhere this is the origin. Okay, and from the origin it is also given that the position vector which is on the line of action of this force, that is RA. Okay, clear? RA is also given. Okay, and further it is given that this is R2 and this is R1. Okay, so if RA is given, so if you are taking moment about origin, if it is said that in the question that moment about origin, so this will be simple, RA cross F you have to find out, and this will be the moment about this particular point, that is the origin. Okay, now it is said that you have to take moment about this particular line. ठीक है? So basically what is going on, तो आपको क्या करना है कि किसी एक पॉइंट के अबाउट अगर आप मोमेंट निकालते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर गोइंग टू कंसीडर दिस 1 point or 2 point. For example, I am taking 1 point. So R1 is this one. Okay, this force is anywhere here, F. Okay, so if you are going to find out the moment about 1 point, this is the 1 point. So from 1 to this point, you have to take the displacement vector. So this will be what? Displacement vector. Okay, 1 to, for example, this is A point. Okay, so 1 to A. So this will be 1 to A, R1 to A. Clear? R1 to A, and moment about this 1 point will be, moment about this point 1 will be what? R1A cross F. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What is R1A?
Sir, it is the displacement vector from 1 to A point.
Is it
And
this?
we can write it as RA minus R1.
हाँ, जैसा मैंने लिखा है ये ऐसा होगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the displacement vector R1A, that is RA minus R1. Okay, now if you're taking moment about this one, so you just take moment, say this is coming M1. Okay, so your new diagram will be, say this is 2 and this is 1. Okay, clear? So you have taken moment about point 1, so this one is coming M1, and from 2 to 1 you know the direction vector that is rho. So two vectors are there, that is rho and M1. Okay, now if you're taking projection of M1 on row. So you will get the moment about the line 1, 2. Okay, clear? Moment about a line that is 1, 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? सो जब भी ये बोला जाए किसी लाइन के अबाउट आपको मूवमेंट लेना है, तो लाइन पे ध्यान ना दे के पहले किसी एक पॉइंट पर ध्यान देना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू हैव टेकन this line, so you just consider either this point 1 or point 2. Okay, clear? This RA is given. For example, if no vector representation of the position vectors are not given, so what will you basically, in the question it was said that like this. So this one is y, this is x, and this is this was given actually this was z as per the question I am going to. So 2 point is here, 1 point is, first point is here, line joining to this one. Okay, and any force, say this one, and it is passing through this A point. This one is A point. For example, this one is 1 point, say 1 comma 1 comma 1, and this is 2, say 2 comma 2. Just assume that कि प्लस माइनस मत मानेगा, हम ऐसे ही डेटा ले रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? सो यहाँ पर ए को ले लेते हैं 3 comma 3 comma 3. Okay, so this is origin. Okay, this is origin. So RA will be 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0, and 3 minus 0, and 3 minus 0. Okay, so 3 coordinates are there. This one is related to x, this one is related to y, this one is related to z. So this will be, RA will be 3i. क्या है, कैसा चल रहा है? Position vector of A point. This is the position vector of A point. Okay. Similarly, position vector of 1 point R1 will be 1i plus 1j plus 1k. Okay, and R2 will be, say, 2i plus 2j plus 2k. Okay, so for direction vector, simple, rho, that will be what? From 2 to 1 if you are taking, so 1 minus काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? Just a minute, I am closing this and again Hello, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Sorry,
Yes.
hang कर गया था. So for row 1 to 2, from 1 to 2 direction, sorry, 2 to 1. From 2 to 1 direction. So basically 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 2. Okay. Divide by 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
J K. Okay. So this will be your direction vector. Okay. So you know the direction vector. Okay. And you know the position vector R1. You know the position vector R2, and you know the position vector of RA. Okay. That is something. That is something. And something. Okay. So as per the diagram, okay, this one is R1, R2, and this is row, and this one is RA, okay, and this is the force vector. Okay, this is the force vector. Clear? So you just take moment about R1 or R2 first. Okay. Okay, from 2 point or from 1 point. So basically you are taking to second point or 1 point. So this is the force. So either you can take this R2 to A point, or similarly R1 to A. Okay, this one. So you will get that moment vector, say M1 or M2. Okay, clear? Now if you are taking M2, so you have to project on this. Similarly you have to M1 project on this. Okay, so row vector is there. So pictorial representation is that this one is say row vector, say this one is M2. So point 2 you have considered. If you are going to consider M1, so that will be 1 point you have to consider. Now you have to project on row vector. Okay, so you have to take row dot M1 or row dot M2. You'll get the moment about 1 to 2 line. Okay, clear? So moment about a line. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now diagram चला गया. हाँ. Now one question is there. Try to solve this one. Okay, I'm taking this picture to whiteboard. इसमें कैसे आता है बेटा? चलिए इसको हम कॉपी करने के बाद पेस्ट क्यों नहीं होता वहाँ पर?
Sir, try hitting left mouse button. सर लेफ्ट वाला बटन दबा के देखिए, राइट क्लिक करने के बाद जो आता है.
हाँ ले लिया. ओके, तो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. इसमें बड़ा धुंधला दिख रहा, लेकिन चलो क्वेश्चन वहां से पढ़ते हैं, सॉल्व यहाँ करेंगे. ठीक है, इसको छोटा सा हम यहाँ पे बना दे रहे हैं जिससे कि आपको पता चले कि ये क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, so this is a question. I am reading this question here. Huh? So the question is saying that a cable CD, C is this one, D is this one, okay, and AB, cable AB, A and B, help support member ED, E to D is a support member, okay, and 1000 lb is a load at D point. At E there is a ball and socket joint. At E point there is a ball and socket joint which also supports the member, denoting the force from the cable as FCD, this one, a force FCD and FAB respectively. Compute moments of the three forces about point E. About point E, you want the moment, okay? This is the moment about a particular point. Plane EGD is a perpendicular to the wall. EGD, this is perpendicular. That means this is the in a plane. This ED is a single plane. GDE is a plane on which this plane is perpendicular to this wall. Okay, get results in terms of FCD and FAB. आपको रिजल्ट देना है FCD और FAB के फॉर्म में, ठीक है ना? क्लियर? तो ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. इसे सॉल्व करने के लिए आपने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, इसे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिए. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3.24 फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके, ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. आई एम ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व इट. सो हम वाइट बोर्ड पे आते हैं, इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं, ठीक है? ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट, दिस क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिए. तो पहले हम डायग्राम बना लें कि डायग्राम इसमें बना है, मान के चलते हैं यही डायग्राम है, ठीक है ना? सो आई हैव सॉल्व्ड इट फॉर यू. सो द क्वेश्चन सेज दैट unit vector of FCD will be as per the dimension given in the question. Okay, so that I am going to take that. Okay, 10j minus 6k 10 square plus 6 square. Okay, this is FCD and it is coming 0.5. कैलकुलेशन आप चेक कर लीजिएगा.
सर इस बुक का नाम क्या है?
आप पहली बार क्लास में आ रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं सर, 3-4 बुक्स देता तो उसमें से कौन सा क्वेश्चन है वो देखना था. मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं ले पाया मैं.
सेम्स का है.
हाँ,
ठीक है, ये शेम्स का है. इसे ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. हम सॉल्व भी कर रहे हैं आपके लिए. ये अनसॉल्व क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है? सिमिलरली एफ बी ए दैट इज इक्वल टू -6i plus 4j, sorry, this one is क्वेश्चन को बुक खोल के देख लेता हूँ, वो ठीक रहेगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर
सर ऊपर वाला डायरेक्शन क्या है? के है या आई है?
हम डायरेक्शन दे रहे हैं आपको. आई एम टेकिंग दिस डायरेक्शन y and this one is z, okay, and this one is x, okay. And taking, so as per this direction I have solved this question. Okay, आपके बुक में डायरेक्शन नहीं दिया है तो just you have to assume that. Okay, this one I am taking this y, okay, clear. So as per this I am going to solve this. So that is minus 6j, okay, 6j plus 4i plus 4k under root 6 square 4 square 4 square. So we are getting 0.4851 I, 0.7276 J plus 0.4851 A. Okay, so force vector FCD will be FCD into this one, okay, minus, this is minus 0.5145 I minus 0.8575 J. Okay, clear. Similarly you can get the value of F dA, and that is 0.4851 I minus 0.726 J plus 4851 K. Okay, now moment about E point निकालने के लिए. So if you are taking moment about E point, this one, so this force and this one, this force and this one, and this force and this one. Okay, clear. So you have to take position or displacement vector as per that. Okay, 6k plus 6j into cross F BA vector, okay, plus 10k plus 10j cross FCD, okay, and same vector for 1000 load cross 1000 K, okay, 1000 K. Clear? ठीक है. So if you are going to solve this, so you will get the result in terms of this value. Okay, clear. So in this way you can solve the question. Okay, now hello, आपका रिजल्ट क्या आ रहा है कैलकुलेट करने के बाद? रिजल्ट में लिख देता हूँ बराबर 7.277 FBA plus 8.575 FCD minus 1000 I ठीक ये आई का टर्म हो गया, जे का टर्म 2.911, एफ बी ए 5.14, 5 एफ सी डी जे प्लस -2.911 एफ बी ए plus 5.145 FCD K. Okay, so this is your solution. So moment about E point. इसको चेक कर लीजिएगा, whether it is coming like this or not, प्लस माइनस सारी चीज़ें चेक करिएगा, ठीक है. So this is the solution of your problem. Okay, one more problem I am going to take that is related to couple moment. Okay, and that is this is the question. So this one is z-axis, this one is x-axis, and this one is x-axis. This is y, this is y, and this is x. Okay, and the box is given like this. Okay, and forces are applied on this in this way. This is 500 Newton meter couple. Okay, one force is here and one force is here. Couples are given actually 100 Newton. This is 100 Newton. Okay, and here this load is given 400 Newton. Okay, and this one is given 400 Newton. This length is 3 meter here, height is 3 meter. From here to here, this is 10 meter, and from here to here, this is 5. Okay, this is 10 meter. Okay, the question says that find out moment about AB point, AB line. This one is A and this one is B. Okay, this A point and B point is given, so it is solid diagonal AB. Okay, this is a solid diagonal AB, this one. Okay, this one is the solid diagonal AB. क्या होगा, this to this. From here to here, you have to take solid diagonal A to B, this one. Okay, A to B you have to take. So A coordinates are 0, 0, 0, and B coordinates are how much? This is 5, y is 10, and z is 3. Okay, so this way. So what is the result? Just try to find out. Moment about AB line क्या होगा? There are couples actually. This one is 500 Newton meter. This one is 100 into 5, 100 into 100. This one is also 100. this one is 100, this one is 100. It is already written. This is 100 Newton, 100 Newton. 100 into 100, 3 couples are there actually. 500 Newton meter. This is the first C1. Okay. This one is a C1. C2 is 100 into 5. So 5 into 100, that is 500 Newton meter. Okay. And C3 is 400 into 10, that is no 400 into 5. Sorry, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? So this is 5 and this one is 5, this one is 10 and this one is 3. ठीक है. So 400 into 5, not 10. So this one is 2000 Newton meter. So first one, second one, third one. Okay. So this is 500 Newton in which direction? About Z direction. So this will be in the K. Okay. And it is anti-clockwise, so you have to take positive. And this C2 is 100 into 5, that is 500 Newton meter, and it is in anti-clockwise and about Y direction. Okay, this is J. This is in K direction, positive K, and this one is positive J direction, and this one is again a K direction, that is again the positive value. Okay, clear? ठीक है. So 3 C1, C2 and C3. So in which direction it is given? That is this one. Okay. So your total couple is, resultant couple is how much? 2000 K in the positive direction, 500 this one into J direction, and this one 500 K again. Okay. So this one is the resultant couple. Okay. Now AB vector we have to find out. That is what? As per this one. Okay. This is 5, 10 and 3. So 5 I 10 J plus 3K divide by under root 5 square plus 10 square plus 3 square. Okay. Clear? Now moment about AB. Okay. That is C dot AB. Okay. These two vectors are there. So these two vectors you have to use. Okay. So C vector is what? That is 200K, this one. Okay. 2000K and 500J and 500K, this one. So that will be 500J plus 2500K. Okay. Dot, and that is this one. इसे सॉल्व कर लेंगे तो आएगा, ये आता है, इसको यहाँ लिख देते हैं 0.432 I plus 0.864 J plus 0.259 K. Okay. So this one is A. Okay. So you have to write this 0.432 I plus 0.864 J plus 0.259 K. Okay, clear? So this you have to project on AB line. So moment about AB, that is a scalar quantity, will get that 1079.5 Newton meter. Okay. अब नहीं, बाद में. moment about a line, that is about AB line. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So so these are the questions, some questions. So what we have discussed today. So आज यहीं तक रखते हैं और नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर, सिंपलेस्ट रिजल्टेंट और इक्विवेलेंट फोर्स सिस्टम से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन मैं दे रहा हूँ, उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिएगा. आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए, नहीं करेंगे तो बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So question is, टेक्स्ट बुक में जितने क्वेश्चन है वो सारे क्वेश्चन तो करिएगा. एक क्वेश्चन मैं अगले चैप्टर का दे रहा हूँ, इसको थोड़ा पढ़ के समझिएगा और करने की कोशिश करिएगा. हाँ यार, इक्विवेलेंट फोर्स सिस्टम का क्वेश्चन है, मैं बुक से देख के फिर बताता हूँ. जितने क्वेश्चन हैं इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप जितने हो सके उतने सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें. बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं, नहीं सॉल्व करोगे तो मुश्किल हो जाएगी आपकी. मैं तो कुछ ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करा पाऊंगा, लेकिन आपको सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. ठीक है, सिंपलेस्ट रिजल्टेंट. न्यूमेरिकल करने से पहले इसके एग्जाम्पल ज़रूर सॉल्व करिए, एग्जाम्पल बहुत अच्छे हैं. हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन जो है 4.7, दिस वन. एक्चुअली ये क्वेश्चन क्या है कि इसमें जो डायग्राम दिया है, अरे गेटिंग माय ड्राइंग ना, दिस पेज इज विजिबल टू यू?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
हाँ, so this is 4.7 question. A small hoist, this one, small hoist has a lifting capacity of 20 kilonewton. This hook is there, okay, and this is having a capacity of 20 kilonewton of lifting capacity. What are the largest and smallest equivalent force system at E for the rated maximum capacity? मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी को ध्यान में रख के 20 किलो न्यूटन को लेके आपको चेक करना है कि मिनिमम, यानी कि जब ये This is a slider actually. This is the guide path. This is a path. Okay. So just like you have seen in the any factory, if you have seen, so there is a guideway on which this hook is, this crane is moving. Basically, this is a crane where this hook is placed. This is, these two small circles are there, this one and this one and this one. Okay, these are the rollers on which this one is moving. यहाँ पे पेन चलेगा नहीं. So this one is moving. So it is like this. मैं इसको फिर से ड्रॉ करके बताता हूँ. This one is like this. Okay, so this is the guide on which this hook is moving. Okay, so this is like this actually. So this is the platform on which this system is there. Okay, this is the system, and on which these rollers are there. Here the rollers are there. Okay, and this one is like this. Similarly, this is like this on here. So this one is connected like this. Okay, this one is connected like this. Clear? So basically, this is the lower part. This is the lower part. Okay, okay, on which the hook is there. Okay, on which the hook is there. On which hook is there. Okay, and it is like this. इसमें चित्र बनाना भी बड़ा मुश्किल है. Okay, so this is like this actually. ठीक है. So यहाँ पर रोलर्स लगे हैं नीचे, और this is the lower portion. Okay, so this is fixing like this. So ये जो I पोर्शन दिख रहा है यहाँ पर ऐसे करके फिक्स होता है. ठीक है ना, ऐसे. और यहाँ पर रोलर्स लगे हैं जो कि मूव कर रहे हैं थ्रू आउट द लेंथ इन दिस वे. ओके, सो in the question it is approaching either in this point, okay, or in this point, here or here. So basically this is the length, it is given 0.6 meter. 0.6 मीटर. तो सेंटर पे आपका, सेंटर पे 20 किलो न्यूटन है. जब यहाँ पर एक्सट्रीम इधर लेके आएंगे तो 0.3 मीटर ये हो गया. ये ऑलरेडी इससे ज़्यादा जा नहीं सकता. 0.3 मीटर प्लस 0.3 मीटर फ्रॉम हियर सेंटर टू दिस पॉइंट इज दिस वन. सो इट विल बी 0.3 plus 0.3. So you have to take moment about, if you are taking moment about this axis or line, so you are considering this point. Okay, for example a point is here, so you have to consider this 0.6 meter distance from the weight. Okay, similarly if you are going to approach in this side, so here total 5 to 2.5 minus 0.3. okay, so that will be 2.2. so it is related to your distance, what you are going to take that. So it will be total is 2.5. So if you are going to use this 0.3 here, this is total is 0.6. So this one is not considered 0.3. So this one is 2.5 minus 0.3. Okay, clear? Similarly, here already 0.3 is occupied by the sleeve. Okay, and you are going to move from here to here, that is this one. Okay, so this is 0.6. So this one is 0.6. Okay, so half of that one 0.3. So your sleeve is this from here to here, that is this one is 0.3. Okay, clear? For example, this one is 0.3, it is given already, and this is 0.3, that is the center of 20 kilonewton. Center of 20 kilonewton, मतलब कि हुक के पास आपका सेंटर पे. This is the length of the total hoist which is occupying the path. This one 0.6 and this is 0.3. Okay, so 20 kilonewton जहाँ पर एक्ट कर रहा है सेंटर से, जो आपका वर्टिकल लॉर्ड है वहाँ के सेंटर से, एक्सिस से, this one is how much? 0.6. So you have to see the picture carefully. Clear? Then you will solve the problem correctly. Okay, otherwise if you are taking wrong dimension, so you will get the wrong result. Okay, so आज यहीं तक रखते हैं. ठीक है, so I am stopping recording.